So a lot of people are new to the group, new to the Facebook page, and new to the TikTok and YouTube as well. So I figured I'd make this quick video explaining speaker size versus box size for the basic boxes. 1800, you're going to run a 5 1/4 speaker most of the time. Sometimes you'll run like a 5x7. I believe a few people have stuffed 6.5s in here. But generally speaking, the number one is a 5 1/4. Ammo cans can be 5 1/4 for the smaller ammo cans, but the bigger ones you'll put 6.5 in. For the 2800 series, you have a couple options. You have a 6x9. You have a 6.5, or you could opt to do an 8-inch. I don't have any 8-inch here right now. For the 3800, which I actually, where's my 3800? No. Not together, hold on. Let me grab it. So 3800 can fit two 6x9s, or like this one has two 6.5s. This one's not complete, but a 3800 is good for multiple sizes. This is where you can start adding like 3 4-inch, two 6.5s, two 6x9s, a single 8. There's a lot of different ways to do it. One 6x9 in these also sound good. 4800 can be two 8s, unless you use these Sound Extreme, which are way oversized, but man, they sound great. Don't forget, we have a discount code on the Facebook group for these, so head over to Built and I Bought Boomboxes on Facebook. But yeah, these sound awesome in a 4800 case. 4800, two 6x9s. You can do 6x9s with 4-inch. We did, the Saucy Podcast did a 6x9 polk on each side with 4-inch polks in the middle. Turned out great. He's got videos of that on his TikTok. And I believe the Saucy Podcast also has a picture of it. You can put two 8s, unless they're oversized like this. You can put 6.5s, two 6x9s. You can pretty much do whatever will fit. Even some 10s will fit. And then the 5800, I do have a 5800, but this one here is kind of a Frankenstein box. This has two 8-inch Belva, which I didn't center them up because I miscut the first one because I thought this was the bottom. Old box mistake from the beginning, but you can put a ton of stuff in there. You can put two 8s, you can put three 6.5s, four 6.5s, 8 and two 6.5. You can do a multitude of different ways: 6x9s, 6x10s, 5x8s, 5x7s, a bunch of different options, guys. H2S monitors, you can fit a very small, like 30 millimeter or 50 millimeter speaker in, but get with Menace Audio Works on TikTok. He'll show you how to do those. These are speakers, I don't know what size this is, but Texas Soundworks made this one for me, and really awesome. Good conversation piece, honestly. People love asking about it. But yeah, there's a ton of different boxes. Coolers, we'll go into a whole video on coolers because coolers are usually 5 1/4 and 6.5. So just be aware of that. They got to be shallow and you got to have spacers.